In this video, we'll see how to get join tables and foreign key data in a Supabase collection inside WeWeb. So let's say I have a collection here in WeWeb. You can see it's a collection of companies, which is here, companies that comes from Supabase. So in my Supabase table, I've got this table basically with the company name and the headcount, but the city that I want to display in WeWeb is actually an ID which is linked to another table. So what I can do, according to Supabase documentation on creating joins and nested tables, is that I can use the related table name along with the name of the fields I want to use inside my collection. So if I go back to my collection, companies, and instead of guided, I use advanced, I will add all the parameters that are from my actual table. But you see here, I've got my cities with ID and name, which is the other table. And if I continue, you see that now in every element of my collection, I've got the cities element with the ID and the name. So here's a collection list, and now what I can do, if I do a binding, I can bind the city name as well. And that's it.